Welcome to IntelliHome Smart DIY, and welcome to my garage, aka my dirty little secret. So a couple of years ago, we remodeled our garage and went all out with a bank of cabinets everywhere, built-in air compressor, built-in vacuum with Cox hose reel, obsessed garage, pressure washer solution, raised deck flooring, insulation on the garage door, all this cool stuff. But unfortunately, our previous house had a garage about twice this size. While we love this house, we had a little bit of a downgrade when it came to garages. So I've got a case of 10 pounds of stuff in a 5-pound bag. So over the next few weeks, we're going to be upgrading the storage throughout the garage to make better use of the footprint that we have. So currently the bike situation is not too bad. We've got the Steady Rack wall mount bike racks, which are actually incredible. However, I wanted to give the iLift bike lift storage solution a chance because that stores the bicycles as well as the bike rack. So video coming pretty soon on that. I've got a lot of bulky storage on this wall, which is actually going to come down and go against that back wall in star of the show, which will be a lev rack 7 by 7 by 30 inch mobile racking storage solution. Looking forward to that. That's going to be really, really cool. Then we'll have more new age cabinets along this wall so we can get stuff off of the walls, off of the floors, and put away out of sight. I was going to go with a DIY solution for air conditioning because in Florida it gets really hot in the garage. And it's a pretty cool garage. I'd like to be in here a little bit more, working on DIY projects and videos for you all. After careful consideration, I decided to buy once, cry once, and get a Mitsubishi mini split, which is
here we go.
Money, making crap for money.
Substantially more than the DIY solutions. However, it should be a lifetime purchase. The cool thing about the Mitsubishi, just like most professionally installed air conditioning systems, it does have a Wi-Fi interface, so I'll be able to include that in my smart home setup. And you may be thinking, well, hey, this is a smart home channel. Why are we talking about garages? Well, first of all, most of my DIY stuff happens in the garage. Second of all, as you might have saw when I walked in the garage, I got some smart tech happening here as well. So on that wall, the Aqara P1 motion sensor will turn off everything in this garage after 15 minutes of inactivity, or trigger a routine via Amazon Alexa. She's over there. She didn't hear me. Trigger a routine via the Echo app that once motion is detected, it turns on the hex lighting on the ceiling, turns on the cabinet lighting, and turns on the Slinger fan, as well as the Pura Smart air freshener. Some additional smart tech is a Bluetooth switch on the vacuum hose that I use for either cleaning the cars or as a dust collection system when using the saws. I was using a basic Bluetooth smart switch and plug, but have recently upgraded to a Milwaukee Bluetooth switch and plug. Additionally, we have a wall-mounted iPad, a Sonos surround sound system, 7-inch Echo, and other smart home goodies sprinkled around the garage. This video speaks more to the DIY part of IntelliHome Smart DIY, so stay tuned for the storage solutions and the upgrades that are coming over the next couple of weeks, and share your garage upgrades that you've done or you're planning to do in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.